Here's another question in probabilities we will answer in this video. In a survey of Fortune 500 corporations, it was found that 15% of the companies have embarked or earmarked funds for buying back their own stocks. 9% have taken action to convey their preferred stocks to common stocks, and 5% have undertaken both activities. One of the 500 companies is selected at random. What is the probability that the company will buy back its own stock only? So um, we can answer this problem by creating a Venn diagram, but let's first understand that 15% of the companies have earmarked for buying back their own common stocks. So let's understand that 15% will be, let's just call it buyback. Okay, 9% said that they will convert it to common stocks. So I'll just call this common stocks. And 5% have done both. Okay. So we don't know in this 15% and this 9% how many are doing both as well. It's not actually said that it's only. So what is asked from us is buyback only. How many percent have buyback only? Only. So we can construct a Venn diagram by creating circles in here. Um, Imagine this has two circles, or maybe okay. Let's have two circles here. Circle one. Let's make the fill empty. Okay, and circle two over here. Okay, so continuing this manner, we know that 5% is common to both of them. So we don't know what is. Let's call this buyback only. I'll call this BB. And I'll call this CS as common stock. So if 5% is both, we want to know how many are going to buy back. So if 5% is already here, we're going to write 10% here, because overall, if we're going to add 10 plus 5, it's going to be 15%. And for the common stocks, it's 9%, so it's going to become 4% over here, because if we're going to add 4 plus 5, it's going to be 9%. So we are asked if one of the companies is selected at random, what's the probability that they will buy back their common stock only? So the answer is 10% over here only. So this is buyback only. So that's 10%. Okay, and actually that's our answer. If you want to use the 500, actually this is a, what do you call that? This is a destructor. If you want, you can multiply 10% by 500, which will give you 50, and then this 50 divided by 500. But anyhow, that's the answer, 10%. So 10% in decimal, just remember it's 0.1 if the choices have decimals. Or in fraction form, it's going to be 1 over 10. So either of these answers are correct depending on the given choices. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.